The scanner PC cable is an accessory for the Revopoint optical tracking 3D scanners. It connects the scanner to a PC and power source for independent operations, enabling quick marker scans without setting up tracker. Connect the DC end of the Trackit power adapter to the scanner PC cable. Connect one end of the scanner PC cable to the scanner's USB-C port, and tighten both screws. Connect the other end to the computer's USB-C port. Plug the power adapter into a power source, then open Revotrack. When Scanner Connected appears, the connection is successful. Click New Project to access the scanning interface. When using the scanner PC cable, the scanner can only operate in marker scan mode. Set scanning parameters based on object features. Adjust the scanning distance and capture the object from multiple angles until the entire model turns blue. Ensure at least 5 markers are visible in every frame during the scanning process. Note: the scanner PC cable is for standalone scanner use only. To perform track scans or multi-position scans with a tracker, connect the scanner to the tracker. See Trackit setup and connection tutorial for details. After scanning, you can edit the model with the software's post-processing functions. When the scanner is connected using this cable, the software defaults to scanner-only calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate the scanner at multiple distances and from 5 angles, including the RGB camera. To perform full calibration, connect the scanner to the tracker and set up the environment. For detailed instructions, see the Trackit calibration tutorial.